Hi, just going to show you what I've been doing recently. I've been playing around with some low definition signals that are generated from the multi-standard Aurora. But what I did was I recorded one of the 30 line systems onto a mini disc. There's a mini disc here. We're actually got two tracks. One doesn't work particularly well. The first one does after about 6 seconds. And we're playing it back actually through the headphone jack into the little circuit I made up a while ago with a frame oscillator and an LM chip. I've got sync going in here, all very rough and ready, of course, from the mini disc, which is a sine wave basically from the Aurora, which I've recorded onto the mini disc, and of course video into this, into ZMod, into the tube, the scope, and of course we need the frame triggering as well, which is confidence. Now the frame doesn't lock very well. It tends to slip up and down. That's because we basically don't have any frame sync, and it is worse with the recording from the mini disc, probably because there's a bit less in the way of HF response. Anyway, I'll put it on and I'll show you. As you can see, the scope's just jittering about at the moment. I will need to turn the light off in here because it's not hugely bright. So I'll take it off, pause, and it still jitters about. As I say, it's about 6 seconds or 7 seconds in. You should see something come up on the screen. There you go. That's it. So let's actually jump to track 2. That's because there was a space. That's fine. That's what the mini disc does. Okay, there you go. That's it playing. It jumps off because I think the sync has actually comes off that as well. So watch this. I don't know if you now. It's actually, this is what it's doing. I don't know. You won't be able to see be doing both things. I'll do my best. And go back a bit further. I'll pause it, and the image disappears. I press pause again, and the image comes back. As you can see, it's quite jittery. Turn the light out, it might be a wee bit better. If I get a bit closer, it might be less. No, this is really what you would expect to scope, because it's only 12.5 frames per minute, second, sorry. So that's it. I mean, it does work. It's a little bit fiddling about. I will be obviously doing a bit more with this. I've got two nice little VCR 139 tubes that I found. That I'm thinking of making up a little monitor with. I also have some MW62s. These are the projection tubes used in some of the older sets, and some VCR 97s as well. So this is ongoing. Hope you like this tiny little video and give you an idea of what you can do just messing about. Okay, cheers.